Welcome back, hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts. Today, we're here to reveal the ultimate guide to the top 7 channels for learning ethical hacking and penetration testing. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 7. Hackersploit. With over 100 in-depth tutorials, Hackersploit is a must-watch for beginners. From basic concepts to advanced techniques, this channel covers it all, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Number 6. The Cyber Mentor. This channel is known for its practical approach to teaching. The Cyber Mentor breaks down complex topics into easy-to-understand lessons, providing hands-on exercises to enhance your skills. Number 5. Network Chuck. While not focused solely on ethical hacking, Network Chuck shares valuable insights on networks, cloud computing, and cybersecurity as a whole. Subscribe to expand your knowledge in all areas. Number 4. IPSec. If you're interested in penetration testing, IPSec is a hidden gem. This channel showcases real-world scenarios, dissecting and explaining the challenges faced during CTF competitions and HTB machines. Number 3. The Coding Train. Although not explicitly centered around ethical hacking, the Coding Train offers creative coding tutorials. Familiarize yourself with programming languages and algorithms to enhance your hacking skills. Number 2. Live Overflow. This channel presents a wide range of hacking topics, from binary exploitation to reverse engineering. Live Overflow's engaging style and comprehensive breakdowns make it perfect for advancing your skills. And finally, number 1. Nullbyte. Known for its extensive coverage of ethical hacking, Nullbyte provides detailed tutorials, news updates, and hacking techniques. Stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity trends by subscribing to their channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 7 ethical hacking and penetration testing channels. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy hacking!